What is email marketing and how does it work, guys? Guys, give me the next 10, maybe 15 minutes, and I'm going to go through a small tutorial of what is email marketing and how does it work. Hey guys, before we get into the training, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I have a system that will help you triple your email list in a matter of no time. Guys, take a look at the link that I have below, and if you can't remember, it's tripleyouremaillist.com. guys. Take a look at that link so you can triple your emails in your email box in a matter of no time. I'll see you in the training. Okay guys, today we're going to talk a little bit about email marketing and the things that you need to do to build you a quality list. You know, all lists are just not quality, but you can build a quality list is when you do get subscribers, make sure you provide some value to those guys, and make sure the value that you provide to those guys is something that can help you. Now today I want to take you through one of my methods of being able to get leads to my list. Now I have several videos of several different places that I go to get leads, but this particular video just gonna be on one specific source, and I didn't title that, but I just want to let you know this is a method of being able to create you email or build you a list, and this is one of the teachings. So let's go to my email box. I made this particular email just for this particular tool that I am using. The tool that I'm using for this particular video today is going to be ListJob. Let me tell you the reason why I like ListJob. When you're sending out some kind of marketing freebie or anything to get leads to your list, they actually get the chance to look at your page. Some don't get a chance to look at your page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through some of these scenarios, what I do on a daily basis to get leads to my system. Now the first thing that I do is, because I am a member, I go ahead and I look at the other people ads. I look at them and I see which ones that are being attractive to me. I just kind of go through there and I just go back through my email box and I just kind of look at them, guys. And see, this letting me know what people are actually advertising, what they're looking for. So it gives me an idea in this particular area what I could be advertising for. But in this particular video, guys that are a part of this channel and are a part of my group, I use this primarily to promote Lead Skimmer. Lead Skimmer is one of my tools that I use to get leads. So I come in and I look and see who's here advertising Lead Skimmer. I think I've seen one guy advertising Lead Skimmer in here. Yeah, just come through here, guys, and I click, because see, when you click here, they gonna have to get their credits that they're wanting to try to do. They're gonna have to look at the ads, so they'll actually get a chance to look at your page, guys. So that's why I use this this tool as far as for my Lead Skimmer business as well. So yeah, I go through here and I try to look at these every day, and you know, you get credit so you can advertise back towards those. Now this is not a free program. I'm not sure, but see, I got 200 credit for looking at that. But it's some kind of fee you have to pay to get started with this. So I'm just trying to tell you right up, and but what I like about this is, when you're part of something like this, you're getting more quality people when it comes to more quality people. Guys, I hope you are enjoying the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Guys, let's go ahead and get back going with the training. Look here, guys, traffic ad bar. You know, I got a video on this. See, someone is advertising traffic ad bar right here, and see, they got 15 points for me clicking on that. So yeah, cool. So let's just keep on going through, just kind of going through to let you know what kind of advertisements is here. Yeah, I'm a part of this group right here. I can't even think of the name right. Oh, the Lead Magnet. It's gotten me tons of leads through this particular program too as well. So yeah. So what I eventually do, guys, let's just show you this. Let's go ahead and go inside, and I'm going to show you how I send to the list. So let's just go ahead and log in. You can go ahead and log in. I'm gonna go ahead and log in real quick and show you my method of being able to send to the list. Now, this is an awesome deal. They give you 3 solos. They say 2, but it's 3 solos they give you for this affordable price, and you get 3 times as much traffic that way. So let's just go through my history and just show you what has happened, guys, right here. Now, it lets you know when you send out stuff, how many people who has clicked on your link, what kind of traffic you getting through your link on a daily basis. So that is pretty cool. So I sent that out 2 days ago. So what I'm going to do today is I am going to send out, because I'm telling you, as far as Lead Skimmer, this thing really is attractive to Lead Skimmer people. Okay, so I got this much credit left, and I'm going to send it out to 8,500 guys. So what I done as far as the Lead Skimmer member, if you're seeing this because you're a Lead Skimmer member, I always tag my list right here. I tag it so I'll know where this message come from or where my lead come from. And what I do, guys, is I just go ahead and hit click. I just hit it right here. And here we go. It says, thank you for sending an email. And then they'll start sending it out. So guys, this is just one of the methods that I used to build my list. This is one of those methods for email marketing, because I use Lead Skimmer to build me a list to help the people that are on Lead Skimmer to grow their list. And that's what you do to start your business. All Lead Skimmer is another lead capture page to help you build your list. You've got to build your list if you plan on being in marketing online. So that's just basically what this particular List Joe is. It's just another tool to bring leads to your business. And I just go in here daily and just get my credit up so I can send to the list on an everyday basis. It really don't take that much time to do this, guys. Really not much time. And then you get a chance to see what else everybody else is advertising. And what I like about List Joe is, because it is a paid program, the list that you're gonna build is gonna be people who will invest in you, guys. That's what I like about it. Most of your freebie or try to seek freebie, and they don't realize that they're wasting their time always looking for everything free. But yeah, that's what I do. I go in here, and so you're sending a list to people who will pay for whatever you're trying to build your list for, guys. So that's what I like about the List Joe. So, but guys, I tried to keep this video within a minimum. I don't know if I went 10 or 15 minutes over. So, but this is just another technique that I do to bring leads to my Lead Skimmer business, guys. So hopefully this training was great. And I'll see you guys the next time. Take care. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.